Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search your music in Audirvāna. So in here, I've already opened the Audirvāna apps, and if you want to search for music, there are some ways that you can do. You can use these tracks, for example. You can also use here genre or artists, albums. You can just search in here, but if you want to search for specific music, you can use this search bar at the top, then just type in what you want to find. So for example, I'm going to find the singer. You can see it will show up, and if you want to play it, you can just click on the so that's pretty much all how you can search your music on Audirvāna. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.